Learn English to Gujarati. Try, decide, remember in.
યોજના બનાવવી.
Welcome to the verbs that run your life. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a tiny comedy of human survival. In today's episode, you will meet the words you need when life gets messy, hungry, hopeful, or badly organized. Imagine this. You wake up and heroically announce, "Today I will."
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
Exclamation mark quote. You do not yet know what you will try, but the confidence is impressive. Then you must.
નક્કી કરવું.
Whether to get up now or continue your very serious research on pillows. You stand, walk 3 steps, and instantly.
ભૂલી જવું.
Why you came into the room. Excellent. A classic human moment. Then suddenly you.
યાદ રાખવું.
Coffee. You.
આશા રાખવી.
There is still some left. You.
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
For a peaceful morning, you definitely.
જોઈએ.
Caffeine. And maybe, just maybe, you should.
યોજના બનાવવી.
Your day before your day plans you. A very serious morning disaster. Listen closely and picture the scene. The more ridiculous it is, the easier it sticks in your memory. Ravi stands at the door wearing one shoe, holding a banana, and looking deeply confused. He says, "I want to."
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
Being organized. His sister replies, "First.
નક્કી કરવું.
If the banana is breakfast or a phone." Ravi checks his pocket. "Oh no, did I?"
ભૂલી જવું.
"My keys?" His sister points at his hand. "No, you are holding them like a tiny metal trophy. Please."
યાદ રાખવું.
What keys look like? Ravi smiles. "Good, then I."
આશા રાખવી.
Today will go well. His sister laughs. "I."
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
For that too, but first you.
જોઈએ.
Matching shoes. Ravi looks down. Silence. One red shoe. One blue slipper. "Yes," he says. "We also."
જોઈએ.
A miracle. His sister opens a notebook. "Come here. We must."
યોજના બનાવવી.
Step 1. Wear normal shoes. Step 2. Leave the house with dignity. Step 3. Stop trying to call bananas. Quick meaning drill. Now let's make the words feel easy in your mouth and clear in your mind. I say the English idea and you connect it with the Gujarati. To try.
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
This is your action word for effort. To decide.
નક્કી કરવું.
Use it when you finally choose instead of staring at a menu for 40 minutes. To forget.
ભૂલી જવું.
The official verb of lost keys, names, and why you opened the fridge. To remember.
યાદ રાખવું.
This is the hero who saves you from.
ભૂલી જવું.
To hope.
આશા રાખવી.
Warm, steady, optimistic. To wish.
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
More like a desire, a candle moment, or a shooting star thought. To need.
જોઈએ.
Stronger than want. If you are thirsty, you.
જોઈએ.
Water. To plan.
યોજના બનાવવી.
The word that prevents future chaos, or at least reduces it. Mini dialogue at the tea stall. Here comes a short everyday style conversation. Notice how the words work together naturally. A. I want to.
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
Speaking Gujarati today. B. Great. First.
નક્કી કરવું.
What you want to say. A. I always.
ભૂલી જવું.
New words. B. Then.
યાદ રાખવું.
Them with funny pictures. A. I.
આશા રાખવી.
I improve soon. B. And I.
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
For extra tea. A. I.
જોઈએ.
More practice, right? B. Yes, and we should.
યોજના બનાવવી.
10 minutes every day. Memory tricks that are slightly silly. You are allowed to learn like a genius and a comedian at the same time. In fact, that is recommended. 4.
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
Imagine pushing a giant door open with dramatic movie music. 4.
નક્કી કરવું.
Imagine 2 snacks in front of you and a squirrel judge shouting, "Choose now." 4.
ભૂલી જવું.
Picture your memory floating away like a balloon carrying your homework. 4.
યાદ રાખવું.
Tap your forehead and imagine a bright sticky note glowing there. 4.
આશા રાખવી.
See a tiny lamp in a dark room. 4.
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
Picture a birthday cake and one very serious candle. 4.
જોઈએ.
Hear your stomach making an award-winning dramatic speech. 4.
યોજના બનાવવી.
Picture a calendar wearing glasses and looking smarter than everyone. Your turn quiz. Let's see what stuck. No panic. If you miss one, you simply
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
again. What is the Gujarati word for try?
પ્રયાસ કરવો.
What is the Gujarati word for decide?
નક્કી કરવું.
What is the Gujarati word for forget?
ભૂલી જવું.
What is the Gujarati word for remember?
યાદ રાખવું.
What is the Gujarati word for hope?
આશા રાખવી.
What is the Gujarati word for wish?
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
What is the Gujarati word for need?
જોઈએ.
What is the Gujarati word for to plan?
યોજના બનાવવી.
A friendly ending. You did it. You just practiced some of the most useful everyday verbs in Gujarati. Today you learned how to
પ્રયાસ કરવો. નક્કી કરવું. ભૂલી જવું. યાદ રાખવું. આશા રાખવી. ઈચ્છા રાખવી. જોઈએ.
and.
યોજના બનાવવી.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, laugh at the silly images, and come back tomorrow before you
ભૂલી જવું.
them. I.
આશા રાખવી.
You enjoyed this, I.
ઈચ્છા રાખવી.
You keep going, and if you
જોઈએ.
a next step, just
યોજના બનાવવી.
5 minutes of practice. See you soon.